What's up, Camaro people? It's a beautiful Saturday out here in Compton, California, and we are about to do some pretty dope stuff to some of our builds. I'll record as much as I possibly can. Hopefully you guys watch it and enjoy it. Things that we got going on in the garage today. Let's see. We have four Camaros at home right now. That 5 or 6 of them actually, but 2 I am building. 3 I am building for some LA customers here, and I'm pretty stoked and excited about these 2 builds. One of them is a white 85 Camaro, super dope, clean. The owner's gonna have a really nice car once we're done with it. Right now we're just doing a lot of the details for it, right? We recently ordered a hood from Jags, and it's sad to say that it arrived dented. I'm kind of not too happy about the customer service, but they're working everything out. What I do know is that it arrived. We asked for a discount, right? It had a dent on it. Spending $600 on a hood, you expect it to not be dented, right? So it had a dent on it. I was willing to fix it. However, the discount was $20. Fuck no. Take it back and give me another one, right? So we're working that out. But aside from that, Compton has a bunch of potholes, people. And majority of the time it looks like the drivers are drunk, but it's just because we're avoiding potholes. Let me get out of this little area. Boom. We should get steady anytime soon. So other things that we're doing to these cars are just details, right? So the white Camaro right now has, we're gonna buff the whole car. We painted the spoilers. They used to be black, so we painted the spoilers white. What else have we done to it? Well, what else we're gonna do to it? The eyelids, we added new headlights to it. We're gonna make the eyelids black. We've done a lot of motor work to it. We did the interior to it as well. What's left in the inside is we're gonna install the headliner, seat belts, buckles, and let's see, wipers. The car has no wipers, and I'm not talking about like just the little thing you can buy at AutoZone, the little strip, the weather stripping thing. It's the whole wiper arms, motor, regulator, literally everything on it is missing. So we have to take care of that, and then we're gonna buff the whole car, put everything back together, and possibly put some decals on it. So that's what's going on with that one. Then we have a burgundy-ish IROC as well, 5-speed. That one's super dope. I really like it. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen this car multiple times. With that specific model, we're doing a lot of the details. Some of the work is unique to this car. We made some retrofit demon eyes with some halos on it, which looks super dope. So we're doing the wiring for that. We're also going to put the IROC Z decals on it, the stripes, and the doors. We ended up buying some. I mean, the decal kit it's really expensive, right? It's like about $300 for some stickers. I think that's way too much money for some stickers. So we ended up ordering some off of like eBay, off of somebody, but honestly they were pretty whack. They look straight. They don't even look anything close to it. So what we're gonna end up doing is I'm gonna just make some here at home. Use like just things that I have, and probably try to see if I could use a Cricut or something to make the decals. Like I know how they look. I know the measurements of it, so we're gonna try to just make our own. Just because, one, it's too expensive to buy them off of like a kit for a 1/4-inch stripe, right, or for a 1-inch stripe that goes around the whole car. That could just be like a row and the door one, right? So we're just gonna make our own for that one. What else is left on the burgundy one? Just that for now, and one last buff to it. And then after that, it's just a matter of like testing everything out. I don't like how the starter sounds, so I might swap it out for another one. And other than that, we are solid. Let me show you guys the cars right now. Take a sip. Let's see. Let me show you some of the ones that we have right now. This is the one that the motor is going to be going into. It's an 84 Z28. Right. No, the truck is in a Camaro, but I do drive that. I do need a truck. This is a 79. It's usually my daily driver. Take it to work, take it to the car meets. It needs some maintenance work, but I haven't done any of that. If you can see here, it has a big old dent. I was hit by an electric door. I was under attack, but I didn't want to hit it back. And this here is a 76. It is pretty gorgeous in my opinion. We did all the body work to it already. The interior is pretty much done on it. And let's see. Let me show you the ones I'm actually working on right now. So this is the burgundy one. We've done a lot of work to it. We also dyed these lights. If you haven't seen the YouTube channel, go through my channel and you'll see how to delete the amber and just make them look brand new. Keep in mind, did this a few months ago and they're super dirty, but they still look good. This is it right here. This is the burgundy one. Check out those lights. So the housings are painted the same color as the car. And this is the white one. Just sanded it down, 200 grit, 2000 grit, and then we're gonna go from there. So these are retrofits. The color of it is the exact same color of the car. Customer wanted those, and this car was also painted by us. And we're gonna install all the smaller things, including these turn signals, side markers, and then the detail stripe kit.